Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you CBSE school teaching job vacancies in Dubai. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.credencehighschool.com. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of Credence High School. In this main page, right corner menu available. If you click this link, you can get what are the career opportunities for Credence High School, Dubai. So here the first page itself they are show join us for kindergarten teacher to grade 9 and 12 and grade 2 8 join us and admin vacancies we can check it in the career page. So what are the vacancies available in the Credence High School and the when is the last date. So everything we can get it in the career page. So here if you click this link explore, you can get one option discover. If you click the link discover, you can get one option of careers. If you click this link, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for Credence High School. So click here to apply. So general information for candidate applying for teaching position. All candidate must hold bachelor degree in education, specialization in the relevant subject, bachelor or master. Candidate must have minimum 2 years qualified teaching experience in UAE in the same subject. Candidate must be talented, motivated and well qualified individual with very good language skills. Candidate should have proven track record of outstanding learning and teaching, a creative and enthusiastic approach both in and out of the classroom. Candidate should be excellent team player both within the department and across the face. Candidate should be excellent and interpersonal communication skill to work closely with students and parents. So if you are interested in working for us, please do not wait for announcement. Apply through the below link and you will be contacted if shortlisted for an interview or demo. So what are the current vacancies, new vacancies for so pre-KG to grade 1 early years homeroom teacher, grade 1 homeroom teacher, the minimum requirement they are given here, minimum 2 years experience, requirement bachelor or master with B.Ed, grade 2 to 8, social study teacher and Hindi teacher, minimum 2 years experience, minimum qualification B.Ed with bachelor degree. So deadline of this application is 15th January 2022. So before that you can submit your application. And grade 9 to 12 English teacher, minimum experience 2 years and B.Ed with masters. Head of department mathematics, minimum 2 years experience in the head of department, B.Ed with master degree. Special education teacher, minimum 2 years experience, bachelor degree and special need education and psychology. Admission and marketing executive, minimum 1 year marketing, social media and Google Ads, excellent communicator for driving school admissions, team player for supporting admission procedures. So these are the requirements for the admission and marketing executive. So all the jobs are going to finish 15th January 2022. So before that you can submit your application as per the instruction. So make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification, job description, etc. If you meet the requirement, you can apply as per the instruction. So how to apply for these job vacancies? So here they are given, click here to apply. If you click this link, you can get one online application form. This application form should take approximately 10 minutes to complete. There are two sections in this application form. You will require to upload up-to-date CV, maximum of 2 page, and your cover letter, maximum of 2 page. Please ensure you have all documents ready to begin the process. First one is your email address, phone number, gender, and position applied for which subject are going to apply. You can click here, and your personal information. How did you find about this job? Current salary, previous teaching experience, post-graduation major and subject, total experience. Finally, you can upload your photo and CV. So all the documents should be in JPG and PDF format. Once you have uploaded, you can submit your job application form. Once you have submitted, you will get acknowledgement for your future reference. So this is the way you have to submit Credence High School teaching job. So please note that only shortlisted candidate will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. So if you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. I hope you can get a great job. Good luck with your job search. Thanks for watching. Thank you.